Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to use wide camera on Android. So what is wide camera? Wide camera is one of the camera feature that is nowadays there is in every Android in newest version or maybe non-Android. So the wide camera is usually used when you want to capture more wide range of a photo or a picture, and it will probably use to you when you want to capture a view or a scenery or when you're in a vacation. And it usually offers a view that is wider than traditional digital camera or traditional camera. So it's a feature of primary rear cameras on smartphone that use and that we know as wide camera. So what is the difference between wide and also the regular camera? So this one's right here is the regular cameras right here, but if you want to use the wide camera, you can just swipe on this or just swipe on this one right here. This is zoom in, zoom out. Okay, this is the normal one, normal camera. But if you want to use the wide camera, you can just click or swipe to left like this. Okay, so here is the wide camera. So as you can see, it looks like this, and if you want to landscape, you can just use it like this. So it capture more wide range of your camera or of your view than this. Okay, so that's the difference, and that is how you can use wide camera on Android. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe. See you on the next tutorial. Bye.